In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to a Squarespace blog post. If you want to organize your blog content better and make related posts easier to group together, adding tags is a simple and useful step. Tags can help with site structure and make it easier for visitors to explore similar topics across your blog. In Squarespace, the process is quick once you know where to look. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to the main menu. From there, click on Website. This is where you'll manage the main parts of your site, including your pages and blog content. Next, click on Pages. This section shows you the structure of your website and lets you access the different page types connected to your site. Once you're in Pages, click on Blog. That will open your blog section so you can manage the settings connected to your blog posts. After that, look for the three-dot menu associated with the blog area and click it. This menu gives you access to additional options that aren't shown directly on the main page. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust details related to the blog section. Inside the Settings panel, click on Options. The Options area includes several organizational settings, including the one we need for tags. Now, click on Tags. This will open the field where you can add the tag you want to use for your blog content. Tags are usually short, descriptive keywords or phrases that match the topic of the post. It's a good idea to keep your tags consistent. So if you already use a naming style on your site, try to follow that same format here. Go ahead and type the tag name into the available field. Make sure you enter the tag exactly the way you want it to appear, especially if you want to keep your blog organized and avoid duplicate variations of the same word. Once the tag has been entered, click on Save. This confirms the change and applies the tag in Squarespace. And that's it. You've successfully added a tag to your Squarespace blog post area. As a quick tip, using clear and relevant tags can make your content easier to manage over time, especially as your blog grows. If you plan to use multiple tags, staying consistent with spelling and formatting will help keep everything clean and organized.